Let's take a look at collection workflows here in Solaris. So first off here, I'm gonna insert a collection node in my scene. Collection, like so. I'm gonna first here assign a material here to all my geometry here, for example. So I'm just gonna take my Gatling group here and do slash star star, essentially making an assignment to everything under this primitive. I'm just gonna take metal material in the bottom and see here what happens. And we get metal going here. Hovering here over, let's say that we wanna, let's see here what we have. Painted metal here. For example, this one. I'm just gonna take my leaf primitive here and select this one. Painted metal. I wanna make a collection here with everything that's called painted metal. So I'm gonna go into my collection and say painted in my collection name. I'm gonna drag this painted metal here into this and fix here the naming a bit here. So I just go only get a path. And now here I essentially wanna take away everything until the slash and say star star. So everything under this location is gonna be picking up this name painted metal, and we can do this star. So now essentially I'm gonna get a collection that is picking up this. I need to store this under, I'm gonna store it, you see here, by default it's stored here on the collection. I'm gonna store this under this path here, just to, it's gonna be evident here soon why I'm doing this. Slash collections. So now I'm gonna use this collection to assign. So if I, for example, get a model update and I get additional geometry called painted metal, it will auto assign to those as well. I need to go in here to my collections, and this here, collection and primitive 3 configuration is what you want. I'm just gonna take this one, and you can see here collections from scene graph, and this is where my collection lives, and here it is painted. If I select this yellow icon here, it's gonna highlight everything that's kind of lives in this collection. Let's use this collection now to assign. I'm just gonna do another assignment here and take my painted as a input here and say I wanna have this painted material here as well, and drag it on, and see here now we get painted, everything that was called painted metal now gets this material assigned. Let's create another one for glass here, because I have a glass shader. Let's see here, I can pick this one up. I'm gonna hit this plus sign here to make another collection, this one. So we see collection 2. Let's call this glass. Glass, and let's see here, I wanna have this one. I'm gonna drag this one into here. And let's go here, star star. I'm gonna have everything called glass sub D. Let's go to my assign materials and make another assignment and say, and now I wanna have the glass collection. I wanna assign the glass material, and we can see here it's assigned. But looking here a bit further into this, we can see here, this one is supposed to be glass and this one assigned. So there is something wrong with my collection, or not wrong, but we can adjust something here. So if I look here at this primitive here, so I have leaf primitives here in my, essentially my selection filtering. So it will see, we can see here it has a slightly different name. It has lens glass. So let's say that I wanna assign this glass to everything called glass. So you can go in here and just take away this lamp glass and just say wildcard glass. And now if I do this, we'll capture this one as well, because now I'm only targeting glass here in my collection name, not lamp glass. Now, obviously you can go much more granular or add more collections. Maybe pick up this one that's called client rubber, and you will get everything that is rubber in your scene, etc. So this is how I use collections to speed up my selections and also make it more flexible. If I, for example, update or something to my geometry, I can just name them and the selections will be auto-assigned for me.